Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a really cute look, blues and whites all galore. So right now I'm going to start with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. Alright, and now we're going to take that big fluffy brush from Morphe, that's their Gunmetal collection. And I'm going to go into this Crown Pro palette in that brown right there and use that color as our transition color. Next, we're going to take this pencil brush that I got from BH Cosmetics and go in with that electric blue shade from Coastal Scents, that is the name of that pigmentation, and just pat that into our crease area. Notice I'm patting like that because I don't want the blue to spread everywhere and it gets messy. Plus, I'm applying it with a pencil brush because that will allow me to pack the most color on, and then later on I'll just go in and blend it out with a purple. Alright, and I'm going to take this M406 brush from Morphe and take that and go into that purple color. That color is Eggplant from Coastal Scents. Now it looks really patchy right here, but that's just me trying to blend that purple and blue together. You're going to repeat the steps and then you'll get that brightness and you'll get that shade like you see in this clip. It just takes a lot of building to do, honestly. Alright, great. So now I'm going to go with All Mar Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go with that orange shade right there using a shading brush. I found that brush just didn't work well. It worked nice to pack on the color, but not to really blend it out. So then you're going to see me just go in with my M506 brush and blend that orange in with the purple, which is actually a really hard task to do in the first place, honestly. And then I'm going back in with the M406 brush, which is that little bitty blending brush from Morphe, and just applying that purple back in the areas where it fell out. Now it is time to cut the crease, and I'm using that big flat brush from Morphe, that's the M167, and I'm applying the LA Girl Concealer in Porcelain, and that is how I'm going to cut the crease in this look. You may see me switch to a smaller brush eventually, and that will be just the M421 from Morphe, which is still another flat shading brush, but I just used that to apply the Inglot eyeliner in white. I use the Inglot liner as a base, so when I apply my shadow, it's more vivid, you know, it's more opaque. And now I'm applying that white eyeshadow onto my lids. That is the color Porcelain from Morphe Cosmetics. Using that small little shading brush I got from, I want to say Crown Pro. And then I actually eventually switched to a bigger, fluffier brush, which would be the E15 from Morphe. And so apply it in a larger quantity. And then I'm going in with that flat shader brush from Wet n Wild and going back into that electric blue color and just applying that to the outer corner of my lids. Then I'm going to take the same brush and go into that Eggplant purple and just blend it into the front of that where the blue begins on my eyelid. And I just try to blend that really well. It's kind of really hard to blend like really colorful eyeshadows. But I feel like Coastal Scents, their brand blends really well. And so you can see me doing that using that flat shader brush. And so now I'm taking that pencil brush. And this pencil brush I got from a set in BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to apply that electric blue in the outer corners. And then I'm going in with a liner brush, eyeliner brush, and I'm taking that Inglot gel white eyeliner and applying that into my tear duct. and then taking just a small detail brush and also applying that eggplant color in my lower lash line. Sorry, I couldn't even think of it. Yeah guys, that is pretty much it. This is the final look. I really like it, you know, did my rest of my face off camera, but yeah, that's cool. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.